This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing 6 to 8 fresh lemons to yield about 1 cup fresh lemon juice. Roll each lemon firmly on the counter to break the membranes and microwave for 10 seconds for more juice. Cut lemons in half and juice using a handheld press or reamer. Measure to confirm you have 1 cup. Pour the juice through a fine mesh strainer to remove seeds and excess pulp so your lemonade stays smooth and clear without sediment or bitterness. Combine 1 cup granulated sugar and 1 cup water in a small saucepan and heat over medium stirring until fully dissolved to create simple syrup. Do not boil long. Remove from heat and let the syrup cool to room temperature before combining with lemon juice to prevent diluting flavor unevenly. When mixing, taste the lemonade and adjust sweetness by adding small increments. Up to 1/2 cup more water to lessen sugar, or 2 tablespoons more syrup to increase sweetness, stirring until even. In a 1 quart to 2 quart pitcher, combine 1 cup fresh lemon juice, 1 cup cooled simple syrup, and 4 cups cold water. Stir vigorously to incorporate and taste for balance. Add a handful of ice, thin lemon slices, and 3 to 4 sprigs of fresh mint for aroma and presentation. Muddle a mint sprig gently if you want more herbal flavor. Serve immediately over additional ice, and refrigerate any leftover lemonade in a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.